Today we're going to teach you 2 tips and tricks for cutting with a hole saw. The first tip is how to cut at an angle. You cannot start cutting right away. First thing you need to do is create a good fixation for your pilot drill. If you are cutting at a very aggressive angle, eject the pilot drill to get some distance from the workplace. The second tip is how to enlarge an existing hole. If you don't care, you can just start cutting, but you do care. With the Baco hole saw system, you can simply put a smaller hole saw inside the other. This will make the cut easy. You start by adding the hole saw size you need. Then you eject the pilot drill and place the upsize adapter on top of the pilot drill and fix it with a 4mm hex key. Then you assemble the smaller hole saw inside the other and you are good to go. Are you ready to put our blades to the test? Contact your Williams Territory Manager today.